Hey everyone, TechSain here and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. It is a budget flagship which Samsung launched at a price of $699. Let's open it and see what's inside. The variant I have bought is 8GB to 56GB and the color is silver grey. Let's open the box. First of all, there is a lid and let's see what's inside the lid. There is a type C to C cable and there is no charging brick, as we know and as it was expected that there will be no charging brick, a device verification card and a quick start guide from Samsung, and there is a SIM ejector tool attached to the card. Now let's check the phone. This is the grey color of the S24 FE, which looks very beautiful. Let's take a closer look to the phone. So here is the back, which is made of glass and it has a triple camera setup and a flash, and its sides are flat unlike the last S23 FE which has curved sides. So it feels quite different from the last version of it. At the bottom there is type C and two microphones and a speaker. Here is the front of the display and it is quite bezel-less but a small chain at the bottom. Let's set the phone and check its internals. So the phone is all set. Let's tap on finish and let's see the phone. So here is the display. It is an AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and here's the display is very smooth, as you can see. And let's open the camera and see. It's a wide angle camera, an ultra wide lens and a portrait lens, 3x. So you can see 1x, 3x and 0.x for ultra wide. So here's the front camera and you can see my phone and my brother holding the ring light, as I don't have a tripod right now. So subscribe for my tripod. And the phone, and this was my phone this was my brother trying to do some ASMR. I also tried to do this, but as I didn't have a microphone, you cannot hear it, so sorry for that. Here's a bit more of that ASMR, but you cannot hear it. So that was all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below what you liked about the phone. And do subscribe to my channel, as I am very close to 1000 subscribers. And thank you for watching this video. Thanks.